Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we will see how to create your GitHub account. So the first thing that we can do is we can go to our Google or any other favorite browser, and you can choose your Google account or any other account. So I have selected one account, okay, and here what you do, you just type in GitHub, you search for GitHub, and it will redirect to the first link, that is github.com. You can click here, and in this, at the top right, you will see an option of sign up. You just click on sign up, and here you can either choose your email address or you can directly continue with Google. So I'll just click and continue with Google. So I have installed, like I've already logged in my Google account, and again it will create a username for me. By default, you can choose any other username. So let me choose, let's say Harshit 1239123, something like that. I've and here you can select, and this is a username. This can be a unique username that you can choose. Click on create account. And once you click on create account, it will ask for verification. Generally, it didn't ask for me, but if it asks for you, then you can just verify. And as of now, you don't have to do anything. Our account is created. We can go in here. We can see all, we can explore all these things. But as of now, our account is created, and this is my username. And accordingly, you can also create your account. Thank you.